Picture this, a sunny day when suddenly the sky begins to dim. The temperature drops, birds think night has fallen, and day turns to night. This isn't sci-fi, it's a solar eclipse, nature's spectacular display. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between Earth and the sun, casting a shadow. It's like the moon is playing cosmic hide-and-seek with the sun. The moon is 400 times smaller than the sun, yet appears nearly the same size. This incredible coincidence allows for total solar eclipses. Witnessing this can be life-changing. Just ask those who saw the 2017 eclipse. They described the sun's corona as a stunning, silvery halo. Throughout history, eclipses have been seen as signs from the gods. Scientists are equally fascinated because eclipses let us study the sun. The sun's corona, normally invisible, becomes visible during a total eclipse. Many discoveries were made during eclipses, like Einstein's theory of relativity. In 1919, the sun's gravity-bending light was seen during an eclipse. For everyone else, eclipses remind us of our moving planet. An eclipse makes our cosmic dance visible and personal. Millions of people share the same awe-inspiring moment. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon moves between Earth and the sun. Think of it like holding a ball between a lamp and the wall. The word eclipse comes from ancient Greek meaning abandonment. Ancient cultures explained eclipses with mythical creatures consuming the sun. To see an eclipse, the sun, moon, and Earth must align perfectly. This alignment is called a syzygy. The moon orbits Earth every 29.5 days, so why not an eclipse each month? The moon's orbit is tilted about 5 degrees compared to Earth's orbit. Eclipses only happen when the moon crosses Earth's orbital plane at the right moment. During a solar eclipse, the moon casts 2 types of shadows. The umbra is the dark inner shadow where the sun is completely blocked. The penumbra is the lighter outer shadow where the sun is partially blocked. If you're in the umbra during a total eclipse, it's total darkness. You'll see bright stars, and the sun's corona becomes visible. The umbra can be just 100 to 200 miles wide and moves fast. Let's explore the 4 types of solar eclipses. First up, the total solar eclipse, where the moon completely covers the sun. Temperatures drop, and you might even see stars during the day. Total eclipses can last a few seconds to about 7.5 minutes. The longest total eclipse in 2009 lasted 6 minutes 39 seconds. Next, the partial solar eclipse covers only part of the sun. You need special glasses to safely view it since the sun's brightness remains. Finally, annular and hybrid solar eclipses offer unique experiences too.